What's up, T Squad? Irv Gotti, the music mogul, is in the middle of a massive lawsuit that has shocked the entertainment industry, but not me. If you guys remember, a few months ago, I did an expose on how Corinne Steffens had already exposed Irv Gotti and Diddy for their schmexual activities. So this is no shocker to us over here on the Color Me Pink channel. If you have not gotten the opportunity to see that video, I'll have it posted at the end of this one. So Irv Gotti, as we all know, is a prominent figure in the music industry, known for his work as record executive and producer. Recently, he has found himself embroiled in a scandal that has sent shockwaves through the entertainment world. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter. The lawsuit against Irv Gotti has captured headlines with serious allegations being made against him. The lawsuit involves a woman who he had a relationship with previously and is raising questions about the integrity of the music mogul. The lawsuit states that the plaintiff, who is going by the name Jane Doe, met Irv Gotti through a mutual friend at a poker tournament in the summer of 2020. Gotti invited plaintiff to go on a vacation with him in St. Martin, to which she agreed. After flying her to St. Martin, Gotti coerced plaintiff into having schmex with him. Gotti specifically threatened plaintiff that he would send her home if she did not comply with his demands. Accordingly, and due to his power and influence in the music world, she complied. Following the trip to St. Martin, Gotti and plaintiff entered into a relationship where for 2 years, plaintiff suffered constant A-word at Gotti's hand. During this abusive relationship, Gotti demanded that the plaintiff perform unwanted schmexual acts and often berated and scolded her. Notably, in January 2022, Gotti flew plaintiff out to Miami and the two stayed at the Four Seasons Hotel. There, Gotti forced her to perform oral schmex on him in an elevator. Later in the summer of the same year, he flew her out to Atlanta and he again forced her to perform oral schmex on him in an Uber. Following this event, the relationship ended. As a result of this schmexually A-word relationship, plaintiff has suffered severe emotional and psychological harm for which she had to be committed to a psychiatric ward. These injuries continue and affect plaintiffs to this day. Moreover, plaintiff has been made aware that Irv Gotti is slandering her to his vast social network in and around Los Angeles. As a result, and in addition to the severe emotional distress described above, plaintiff now fears leaving her home. As a direct and proximate result of defendant's intentional acts, plaintiff suffered temporary and permanent injuries, has endured significant pain and suffering of both mind and body, and will continue to endure such pain and suffering in the future, has incurred medical expenses in an undetermined amount and or will continue to incur medical expenses in the future, has suffered damages for the lost enjoyment of life and lost the ability to perform usual activities, resulting in a diminished quality of life and loss of enjoyment of life. Jury trial has been demanded. Plaintiff requests the following relief for the violation set forth in this complaint: compensatory damages, including those for mental anguish, in an amount to be proven at trial that exceeds the jurisdictional limits of all lower courts that may otherwise have jurisdiction, and imposition of penalties available under applicable laws, litigation costs and expenses, including attorney fees, and any other relief that the court deems just and proper. This was filed on July 11th, 2024. Now, I cannot say whether he is guilty or not, but what I can give my opinion on is based off the stories that I have heard about Irv Gotti throughout his time in the industry, things that came out of his own mouth, friends' mouths, Corinne Steffens' mouth. We all know that he has made his rounds around Hollywood with women, okay? He was a known philanderer and cheater on his wife when he was married. He was out here getting it in. He was a firm user of X. And he was wilding out, and I have not heard anything different over the last few years. I know that he has continued to date very younger women. It's not a shocker to me based on the claim where Jane Doe stated he flew her out to St. Martin and basically told her either she gon' lay down and open her legs or she had to go home. I can very well see him saying that to somebody because a lot of dudes have that mentality that if I'm flying you out, the bare minimum you gonna do is give me some cootie cat. The fact that she continued to deal with him after that and have a relationship with him is wild to me. I would have went home, period. So I don't really know about that part of it, but if she has proof that she has had to go to a psychiatric ward and all of these different things, and that he kept on making her perform these schmexual acts in public and all of this type of stuff, child, I don't put nothing past none of these men nowadays. I really honestly don't. Because it's like at some point to me, a lot of these celebrity men becomes schmexual deviants. And it's like they take it as far as they can and experiment and do all of this crazy stuff because regular schmex to them is boring. After a while, having threesomes, it's boring. Been there, done that. Booty sex is boring. Like all of those things. So they start diving into more weirdo behavior and testing the limits and doing all of this type of stuff. So I'm honestly not shocked by any of it, but I cannot sit up here and say he's guilty. I always like to give people the benefit of the doubt, but the courts, I guess, will be the decision maker in this. And the fact that she's asking for a trial by jury says a lot. Obviously, this girl got some, receipts, okay, that she's asking for a trial by jury. As of right now, as I'm filming this video, Irv Gotti has not released a statement or anything, but I will keep you all abreast on any updates regarding this case. What y'all think? Do y'all think that Irv is guilty? Do you believe this young lady, or do you think it's just a money grab on her behalf? Let's talk about it all. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say about this subject. Don't forget that tonight, this afternoon, I'll be dropping my luxury versus lookalikes video. So make sure you guys tune in and participate. And yesterday, I also dropped my Temu haul video where I had a code for you guys for $100 coupon bundle. So if you did not get a chance to check out my Temu video, check it out and get that coupon code so you can save up to $100. Yes. Thank me later. Please make sure you guys to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you know when my videos drop. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.